don't want to snow. I don't want to snow. I don't know. Let's do that.
Get stuck in the snow is harder than it looks.
Don't make it stop. Have a snack. I'm an apple. In steps. Love you. How you do? Today I'd like to show you glass.
I'm working on a submarine.
When
When I will show you guys. I promise. I promise.
I'd like to show you the.
Rocky found the perfect thing to replace it. Zuma's old surfboard. Rocky,
Mommy.
why trash it when you can stash it?
No.
Next picture.
They're fixing it.
Yep, Ryder attached the surfboard to the windmill, and it was perfect. This surfboard will catch a breeze, said Rocky, and turn it into electricity.
I don't want to snow. I don't want to snow. I don't want to snow.
Can you smile? What a pretty smile. What's Judea doing?
I don't know. Let's do that.
Get stuck in the snow is harder than it looks.
He's stuck.
No, not.
Can you get
Ow.
and fix him? And get the toys out. And get the toys out, Mommy. And get the toys out. Don't break his stuff. Have a snack. I'm an apple. Apple. Sing in here. Sing in a chair.
Do you have some friends with you?
Yes.
Who do you have?
Snoopy and steps.
You're making funny faces at me. Touch your nose. Can you say I love you?
I love you.
I love you. Can you say I love you?
Love you.
Say bye-bye.
Hey kids, how you do? Today I'd like to show you one battleship. Now, this battleship doesn't have an under thing because it's a cool battleship. It has a side window. It can open. Can't it? Can open. Okay, and that is a little window, little one, And now I like to tell you why, too.
Hey, kid.
Because it's glass.
It's plastic glass. I'm working on a submarine. If this video is still on while I finish this, I will show you guys. I promise. I promise.
I'd like to show you the front of this battleship. No, it has a lot of guns in front and a guy. He has a laser.
He's got a door.
He's got a door. It has a
I'm pretty sure that